Seniors, eat these 4 snacks before bed to restore kidney health, lower creatinine. Imagine waking up one morning, looking at your lab results, and seeing your creatinine levels drop without a single pill, just by changing what you eat before bed. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Your kidneys work hardest while you sleep, and the right nighttime snacks can give them the exact boost they need to heal, flush out toxins, and restore balance. Tonight, I'm going to show you 4 simple, delicious snacks you can enjoy before bed that don't just taste amazing. They could be the quiet heroes protecting your kidney health while you dream. Number 1. Unsalted walnuts. Let's talk about something small but mighty. Unsalted walnuts. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Walnuts? Before bed? Absolutely. And here's why they can be a quiet little miracle worker for your kidneys, especially if you're looking to lower creatinine levels naturally. First of all, walnuts are packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, also known as alpha-linolenic acid. These healthy fats have a calming, anti-inflammatory effect on your body. And that's important because inflammation is one of the biggest enemies of kidney health. When your kidneys are inflamed, they have to work harder, and that can keep your creatinine levels higher than they should be. A handful of walnuts, without the added salt, gives your body the tools to fight that inflammation while you sleep. Another reason walnuts shine at night? They're a gentle source of magnesium and vitamin B6. Magnesium helps your muscles relax, including the tiny muscles around your blood vessels, so your blood flows more smoothly. That means your kidneys are getting a better supply of oxygen-rich blood, allowing them to filter waste more effectively. And vitamin B6 plays a quiet but important role in supporting protein metabolism, so you're not overloading your kidneys with unnecessary waste products overnight. Now, why unsalted walnuts? Because extra sodium is the last thing your kidneys need. Salt can cause fluid retention and raise your blood pressure, both of which make kidney function worse. By choosing unsalted, you're giving your kidneys a much-needed break while still enjoying the nut's natural, slightly sweet, earthy flavor. There's also something unique about eating walnuts before bed. They naturally contain melatonin. This is the same hormone your body uses to regulate sleep. And good, deep sleep is a hidden weapon in kidney repair. When you sleep well, your body switches into repair mode, working on cell regeneration and clearing toxins. Think of walnuts as a little bedtime helper that tells your body, all right, it's time to rest and heal. And let's not forget, walnuts are rich in antioxidants like ellagic acid and polyphenols. These antioxidants go after harmful free radicals, which can damage kidney cells over time. It's almost like sending a cleanup crew into your body while you're asleep. Every little bite is working behind the scenes to protect those delicate kidney filters. If you're worried about calories, here's the good news. You don't need a lot. Just about 4 to 6 walnut halves are enough to get all these benefits without weighing you down before bed. You can eat them plain, or if you want to make it a little more special, toss them with a few slices of fresh pear or apple. The natural fruit sweetness pairs beautifully with the walnuts, and you're adding even more fiber to help your body handle waste. Another little bonus, walnuts help balance blood sugar levels. That's important because high blood sugar is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. By having a small walnut snack before bed, you're preventing those overnight blood sugar spikes that can silently harm your kidneys over time. I've heard from many seniors who tried this simple bedtime snack and noticed a difference, not just in their creatinine readings, but in how rested they felt in the morning. Some even say their nighttime trips to the bathroom became less frequent, which is a sign their kidneys weren't being overworked. So, picture this. You're winding down for the night, maybe reading a book or watching your favorite TV show. You grab a small handful of unsalted walnuts, chew slowly, and know that with each bite, you're doing something kind for your kidneys. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it's science-backed. The truth is, small, consistent choices like this can add up to big changes in your health. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Just start with something as easy as a few walnuts before bed. Over time, your body will thank you, and your kidneys will feel the difference. Number 2, sliced apple with almond butter. Here's a bedtime snack that feels like comfort food, but it's secretly working hard for your kidneys. Sliced apple with almond butter. It's sweet, creamy, and a little crunchy all at once. And it's one of those snacks that makes you feel like you're treating yourself while actually nourishing your body. Let's start with the apple. Apples are naturally rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps your body remove waste and toxins more efficiently. For someone looking to lower creatinine, this is a quiet but powerful ally. Pectin works a bit like a sponge. It binds to waste products in your blood and helps escort them out through your digestive system, giving your kidneys less to handle. They're also high in antioxidants like quercetin, which helps protect your kidney cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. And here's something interesting. Apples are low in potassium compared to many other fruits, so they're a safer choice if you need to watch your potassium levels. Now, let's talk about the almond butter. Almonds are loaded with heart-healthy fats, vitamin E, and magnesium. Magnesium helps relax your blood vessels just like walnuts do, so your kidneys enjoy better circulation while you sleep. And vitamin E is a strong antioxidant, protecting your kidney cells from damage. Almond butter also gives you a bit of plant-based protein without putting too much strain on your kidneys, which is important at night when your body is in repair mode. The magic happens when you pair them together. The fiber from the apple slows down the absorption of natural sugars, while the healthy fats and protein from the almond butter keep your blood sugar steady all night. That's a big deal because high blood sugar, especially overnight, can quietly harm your kidneys over time. Here's a tip. Use unsweetened almond butter. Many brands sneak in sugar and extra salt, which your kidneys don't need. The natural sweetness from the apple is more than enough, and you'll appreciate that pure, nutty flavor. One medium apple, sliced with a tablespoon of almond butter, is the perfect portion. Light enough not to weigh you down, but satisfying enough to keep you from waking up hungry. You can even sprinkle a tiny pinch of cinnamon on top for extra flavor and an added anti-inflammatory boost. So next time you're about to head to bed and want something sweet, skip the cookies or cake. Instead, enjoy crisp apple slices dipped in creamy almond butter, knowing you're giving your kidneys a snack they'll thank you for. Number 3. Greek yogurt with blueberries. If you're looking for a bedtime snack that feels like dessert but works like medicine for your kidneys, Greek yogurt with blueberries is a winning choice. It's creamy, sweet, and refreshing, but every bite is packed with nutrients that can help lower creatinine and support kidney repair. Let's start with Greek yogurt. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained, which means it's richer in protein and lower in sugar. That protein is high quality, which your body can use for cell repair without creating as much waste for your kidneys to filter. Plus, it's a fantastic source of probiotics, those friendly bacteria that keep your gut healthy. Why does that matter? When your gut is in balance, it helps reduce the amount of toxins and waste that end up in your blood for your kidneys. Because easing the workload on your kidneys, Greek yogurt is also high in calcium and phosphorus, which support bone health. That's important for kidney health because when kidneys struggle, your bones can also weaken over time. Eating a food that supports both is like getting two benefits in one. Now, let's talk blueberries, the tiny superfood that's bursting with antioxidants. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. These antioxidants fight inflammation and protect the delicate blood vessels in your kidneys. They also help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage kidney tissue over time. One of the best parts about blueberries is that they're naturally low in potassium and sodium, making them kidney-friendly, even for people who need to watch those levels closely. Plus, they're low in sugar compared to many fruits, so they help keep your blood sugar steady. When you pair blueberries with Greek yogurt, you get the perfect balance of protein, healthy carbs, and antioxidants. The yogurt keeps you feeling full through the night, while the blueberries give you a gentle sweetness without a sugar spike. Here's a little tip. Go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. That way, you skip the hidden sugars found in many flavored varieties. The natural sweetness of fresh blueberries is enough, and if you want an extra flavor boost, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or a drizzle of pure honey. Just half a cup of Greek yogurt, topped with a handful of blueberries, makes a perfect portion, light on your stomach, but powerful for your health. So, as you wind down for the night, imagine each spoonful working quietly to fight inflammation, protect your kidneys, and help your body heal while you sleep. Number 4. Cucumber slices with hummus. Now here's a bedtime snack that's light, refreshing, and surprisingly powerful for your kidneys. Cucumber slices with hummus. It's crisp, creamy, and satisfying. But more importantly, it's packed with nutrients that support lower creatinine and better kidney function. Let's start with the cucumber. Cucumbers are over 95% water, making them an excellent hydrating snack. And hydration is absolutely key for kidney health. When your body has enough water, your kidneys can filter waste more efficiently, keeping creatinine levels in check. Eating cucumbers before bed is like giving your kidneys a gentle rinse cycle overnight. They're also low in potassium and phosphorus, which makes them safe for those who need to watch those levels. On top of that, cucumbers contain antioxidants like beta-carotene and flavonoids that help fight inflammation in the kidneys. And because they're so light and low in calories, they won't weigh you down before you sleep. Now let's talk about hummus. Hummus is made from chickpeas, tahini, which is ground sesame seeds, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic, all ingredients that have their own health benefits. Chickpeas provide plant-based protein, which is easier on the kidneys compared to heavy animal proteins. This gives your body the building blocks it needs for repair without producing too much waste. Tahini is rich in healthy fats and magnesium, which help relax blood vessels and improve circulation to the kidneys. Olive oil is full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, while garlic is known for helping lower blood pressure and protecting kidney tissue from oxidative stress. When you dip crisp cucumber slices into creamy hummus, you're getting hydration, fiber, healthy fats, and plant protein all in one bite. The fiber is especially helpful. It aids digestion and helps your body remove toxins through the digestive tract, again, reducing the load on your kidneys. Here's a tip. Choose a low-sodium hummus or make your own at home. That way, you avoid excess salt, which can cause fluid retention and put unnecessary strain on your kidneys. A good serving for bedtime would be about half a cup of cucumber slices with 2 tablespoons of hummus. It's just enough to satisfy your hunger, give you steady energy through the night, and still be gentle on your kidneys. So next time you want something crunchy and creamy before bed, skip the chips and dip. Instead, go for cucumber slices with hummus, a snack that hydrates, nourishes, and quietly helps your kidneys recover while you rest. Summary. So, there you have it. 4 bedtime snacks that are far more than just a tasty treat. Unsalted walnuts to calm inflammation and support deep repair. Crisp apple slices with creamy almond butter to balance blood sugar and protect your kidneys. Greek yogurt with blueberries to fight oxidative stress while feeding your gut. and refreshing cucumber slices with hummus to hydrate and nourish your body through the night. Each one is simple, affordable, and easy to prepare. But the real magic comes when you make them a regular part of your nightly routine. Small, consistent choices like these can create powerful changes in your kidney health over time. If you're ready to take the next step in protecting your kidneys, start with just one of these snacks tonight. And remember, your body has an incredible ability to heal when you give it the right support. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone you care about. Here's to peaceful nights, healthy kidneys, and a stronger, healthier you.